Hi guys, so this is another trade which was making on ICICI Bank, and I'm planning to make my entry just once it breaks the day's high. The reason is the particular stock has been moving on a cup and handle kind of pattern, and it showed a clear reversal like in the first half, like as you can see the red candle and the green candle. So it was a clear reversal part, and it came again came to the resistance part and testing that particular level. So my entry would be once it breaks, and if it gives me a pullback, that would be entry. So this was my entry, like around this line. This line is my entry part. So I'm expecting the stock to give me a 1% target because there's no nearby resistance. So what I'll be doing, I'll be booking my profits at 0.5%, and I'll be letting my rest of my quantities to be trailed to take 1%. So that time, that's what I'm planning to do. So 1% target, and with a risk reward of 0.5, little bit over 0.5, like a 0.53 or something. Just kept my stop loss just below the swing low part. So that's the trade. I'm trying to figure out about drawing the cup and handle part, but I hope you guys are already familiar with this, so it will be helpful. So these are the reason for making the trade. So let's see what happens. Okay guys, so it's been a long, it's been a long trade. It's been a while. So what I'm planning to do is it's already near to the square of time. So what I'll be doing, I'll be waiting for this particular candle to get closed, and I'll be booking my profits. I'm not gonna wait for another 5 minutes because it's gonna get auto squared off. So once this candle closes, and once it reaches this particular line, I'll be pulling my profits. So that's the trade for today. It has given me a 0.7% of target with a stop loss of zero point 0.5, and seemed like it was a good trade for me. Thank you. Explanation for making the trade on ICICI Bank. So I'll be explaining the different factors. So on 5 minute time frame, as you guys can see that the ICICI Bank is been on a range bound. So let me mark the downside part. So it's going between those ranges. That's the first thing. The market condition is range bound, and once you're looking into today's graph, on previous day, it's moving on a uptrend. So this is another trend line which indicates that this particular stock is moving on a trend line. That's the second thing. Third thing, when you're coming to today's chart, particularly on today's chart, the stock is being moving along with the trend line, respecting the trend line along with the moving averages. This is the resistance point. So the stock has made a high today, and after that it just came down, and it's making a swing high and moving slowly upwards. That's another thing. And if you're keeping your resistance line over here, if you drawn a resistance line, you will be able to see it's gonna come near the triangular breakout. That's another thing. And the third thing, there is no nearby resistance, so I was expecting this particular stock to get broken from the day's high, as it's been moving on another pattern which is coming like a cup and handle kind of pattern. So that is another reason too. So there are several reasons to make this trend: cup and handle, triangular breakouts, resistance breakout, and there is no nearby resistance. So, and the volume, as you guys know that today Nifty bank was like really bullish, and it just went over 1%. So that's even supporting my entry point. So it's been a long trade because I took my entry somewhat over here around 145, and I just got off like a 310 just before that, because I don't want to wait for the last moment to get squared off and getting charged. So as I said, it just came close to my 1%, like only one, not even 1 rupee, like a 50 paise before. But I didn't take my trade here. I just entered my trade on this particular trend line. That is another thing. I booked my profits around. So this was the place which I booked my profits 0.7%, and the risk part which I took was around a little bit over 0.5%, because I kept my stop loss just below the swing low. That was the reason for making the trade, and it's already 3:18. The market is about to close, and I already took my trades like 10 minutes before. So that's it. These are the reason why I took the trade. The first one, trend line. Second thing, the market was on range bound, it just broke out yesterday. And yeah, these are the sub reasons. So thank you. If you guys have any doubt, just give me a text.